I'm going out today. I am going to check the mail. Lately, the Postal Service has been really late today. Well, not just today, but every day seems like. Way before the Columbus holiday, the Postal Service used to come around 12. Now, after the Columbus holiday, the Postal Service comes a little later, and we don't know why. But, yeah, I'm sure you want to see this face. It is fall. That's why there's a hell of a lot of leaves. Oh look, mail. Finally. Kind of hard to pick this stuff up with one hand. Okay, the mail has been picked up. Well, I'm going to also show you something very interesting. You see, certain mornings, a certain woodpecker has been trying to wake me up, mostly in the morning, and I found out where exactly that woodpecker goes. The sound travels to my room, and I hear it. If you can see all those holes, that is where the woodpecker goes. That is where the woodpecker pecks and wakes me up in the morning. Anyway, I'm going back in the house. I will see you all later. Bye.